All right. What's going on, everybody? I'm really excited because we are going to start jumping over into swing trading. You know that I'm all about long-term investing. You know that I'm all about, paying my future self first with long-term investing with ETFs. And that's what I do with the majority of my money. I made a video. My last video was about, how I do that. But I also ventured out in telling you how I swing trade and how I day trade. And I got a lot of responses from that where people were like, yeah, let's jump into swing trading. I want to learn about that. So hey, I have no problem doing that. I originally thought that everything that I talked about was just going to be safe long-term investing, but if you guys want to learn about swing trading, I'm all in. Before we get too far ahead, let's hit that subscribe button. Let's hit the notification bell. That way every time I come out with a video, it comes straight to you, okay? Straight to your phone. All right, real quick, I want to tell you first off, swing trading is not as safe as investing. If you're looking for something that's safe, something that is the safest place to put your money, then go ahead and keep investing. Keep investing. Or you can do like I do, and you can put the majority of your money in investing long term, and you can play with a little bit with some risk. Now, I will say swing trading is a lot less dangerous, in my opinion, than day trading, but it's also not as safe as long-term investing. So it's kind of right there in the middle. All right, and what a swing trade is it's a purchase of a stock or an ETF with the intentions to hold for a day or two or three, or maybe even a week, or maybe even a month, but have that plan and then sell. So if I were to buy ARKK today and I hold it for 2 or 3 days and then I sell for a 2 or 3% profit, that is a swing trade, okay? It is not a day trade. A day trade is when you buy and sell in the same day. Long-term investing, we already know, you put that money in there until you're ready to take it out 10, 20, 30 years down the road. Swing trading is right there in the middle, okay? Swing trading is all about having a plan. You have to have a plan. If you jump into swing trading without a plan, you will get raked over the coals, okay? You have to have an entry plan when you plan to buy in. You have to have an exit plan. If things are good, you know when you're going to exit. If things go according to plan, you know when you're going to exit. You also have to have a safety plan. If you get in and things go exactly the opposite, they go down, you're losing money. You have to have an exit strategy. You can't just sit on a stock and hope that it's going to come back. You have to have a plan. And these videos that I will make in the future are going to cover my plan. It's going to cover exactly what I trade, how I do it. We're going to look at charts. I'm going to do my best to teach you guys and to simplify how I read charts, how I use indicators like the RSI indicator or Bollinger Bands or the EMA line or the MACD. So we're going to go into all of those things, and I hope that by the end of these videos, you guys will be proficient in swing trading. You'll have your own plan. And that's the biggest thing that I want you guys to get out of the videos that I'm putting together. A plan that works for me doesn't necessarily work for you. I don't have a foolproof plan. I don't have a universal plan that just works for everybody and this is the way it is and everybody that does it is going to be successful. I think that the way that I do it is a success, and it is successful, and it does work for a lot of the people that do it correctly and don't try to put their own spin on it. But the main thing is I want you guys to come up with your own plan. Find indicators that work for you. Find indicators that make sense to you. Just because they make sense to me doesn't mean they're going to make sense to you. There are hundreds of indicators and charts and books and videos that you can watch that break down all sorts of things about swing trading and day trading. I am going to make videos on what I know works for me. And I hope that it helps you guys, okay? The main thing where I want to go with this is to give you more confidence. While your wealth is growing in long-term investing, you're gaining confidence in putting a little money in swing trading, maybe a little more money, maybe a little more money, and you have this kind of play account that you can work and you can make grow for you as well while you're waiting for this long-term investment. I know from talking to a lot of y'all, long-term investing can be boring. It can be. It's putting money somewhere that you don't ever really look at too much. It's growing, in 10, 20, 30 years, 40 years, you're gonna have a pile of money, and that's awesome. That's exciting to me. But, you know, for those years while you're putting that money in there, you're like, man, I just want to do something that kind of keeps my interest in the stock market. It keeps me excited about the stock market. Swing trading is the way to go. Swing trading is an awesome way to keep your hand in the stock market and keep your interest in the stock market while your long-term investing is growing. Some of you don't care anything about swing trading, and that's fine. This video ain't for you. All right. So I hope that these series of videos that are coming up are going to help you. I hope that when we put these things together, you guys comment and you guys help me out to know where to go next with these videos. I'm excited. I really am. I think that swing trading is something that the average person like me and like you who have a full-time job, we go to work every single day. We don't have time to just sit and look at the stock market all day long like a day trader, a professional day trader does. But we do have enough time where we can look, you know, once or twice a day, right on our phones, and we can swing trade. That is what swing trading is for. People like me and like you who want to be involved in the stock market but don't have 10 hours a day to sit in front of a computer. We will jump into day trading at a later time, but right now this is all about swing trading. All right, I hope this video is gonna help you guys. I hope this is a good introduction to what we're gonna jump into. I'm really excited. I'm really gonna try to push these videos out quickly, at least once a day, and I hope that we start swing trading quick.